I'm going to be showing you how to allow Safari to access Siri. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is open your settings. Just go ahead and open it. It's right up the top. So after you tap on settings, you should see something like this. Now all you need to do is scroll all the way down till you find apps. So it's right at the bottom. And now you need to find Safari. So Safari is right above shortcuts. Just go ahead and tap there. And at the top, you can find the option allow Safari to access Siri or search. Since we're trying to allow Safari to access Siri, you just need to tap on the first option that says Siri. Make sure you have enabled all the buttons, especially learn from this app. This will help Siri to learn from how to use Safari to make suggestions across the app. So there you go. That's how you allow Safari to access Siri in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.